Construction continues at Spotify Camp Nou, with exceptional developments as the international break enables uninterrupted advancement. The compression ring shows major progress, third-tier seating nears completion, and VIP zones show extensive interior work. Starting from the lateral zone, crews prepare to install the 12th compression ring section. The tower crane switches to heavy-duty chains as workers position throughout the third cantilever level. The crane lifts the new compression ring section skyward, approximately one section per day as operations accelerate during the match-free period. The section maneuvers between radial beams as specialist workers in orange helmets guide the 26-ton component with ropes, demonstrating incredible precision. These specialists move massive components with remarkable control, using ropes and body weight to guide each section into exact alignment. Once positioned, crews spend 4 to 5 hours installing bolts systematically from the corners throughout all connection points. Moving to South Goal, the final prefabricated seating sections are arriving. The third tier approaches 100% completion with only minor gaps remaining. Workers now walk throughout the finished tier inspecting for the next phase involving expansion joints. The last grata sections lift into position, marking a historic milestone as the third tier reaches completion. When you compare this zone to footage from just a few weeks ago, the transformation is truly remarkable and a clear sign of how rapidly this stadium is taking shape. And before we continue, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. Every single subscriber genuinely helps this channel grow. Hit that button and join the Camp Nou journey. The VIP ring zones show substantial advancement. Workers install galvanized steel framing and drywall, creating divisions for bathrooms, restaurants, and bars. Electrical cabling runs through conduit systems while block walls rise in certain sections. Platform workers apply protective coatings to beam surfaces throughout tribuna brackets and connection points. The sheer volume of trades working simultaneously in these premium areas gives a strong sense of just how much interior finishing lies ahead. North Goal elevator cores hit a major milestone as the first concrete sandwich panels now install. Several panels position on lateral and central zones after extended waiting periods. Welding continues on steel frameworks while green electrical cabling arrives continuously. The cafeteria diamond shows renewed activity as workers remove formwork from the remaining wall section. Tribuna terrace shows hydraulic hammer operations cutting floor surfaces. The first VIP ring concrete floor slab positions in the right side cores, marking the breakthrough moment for this phase. That wraps today's Camp Nou update. 12th compression ring section installing, third tier seating complete, first VIP floor slab positioned, and North Goal cores receiving sandwich panels. Drop a comment below, even just a nice. It truly means a lot and keeps this channel going. Hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.